The change plate attaches to your nail gun's magazine. The plate adjusts to accommodate different nail lengths. The nails rub against the change plate as they are fed through the nailer. Over time, this can cause the plate to wear. The change plate can be broken if the nail gun is dropped. Replacing the change plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old change plate from the nail gun. I'll tip the nail gun on its side, and you'll see there's a plastic cap on the bottom of the magazine. I'll use a screwdriver to pry the cap back. The cap is secured with a spring. I'll pull the cap out until I can get the screwdriver through one of the coils on the spring to hold it in place. I want to be careful that I don't stretch out the spring as I do this. Then I'll remove the cap from the spring, and then I'll let the spring back into the magazine. Now I can pull the cap on the other side away from the change plate. This will remove the cap and the spring. With the cap and spring removed, now I can remove the change plate. Now I can install the new change plate. I'll place it over the post on the magazine. You'll notice when you remove the spring that there's a piece of rubber on the inside, and that rubber will tend to pull out as you remove the spring. I'll push the rubber back down inside the coils, install one of the caps, and thread this through the hole in the post on the magazine. Tip the gun back on its side so I can reinstall the other cap. I'll use a small screwdriver to pull the spring through the opening. I'll grab the spring with a pair of needle nose pliers and again insert the screwdriver through one of the coils. Then I can reinstall the cap. With the cap installed, I'll remove the screwdriver and let the spring pull the cap back flush against the magazine. And that's how you can install a new change plate in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.